I spoke with Attorney General Steve Marshall. He says his office is being briefed on the investigations being conducted by the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency and the Department of Forensic Science. All of these investigations surround that Hoover Galleria Mall shooting.
Say his name, EJ!
We've seen the protests and the demands are loud.
Justice! Justice!
But its law enforcement, some say, has been silent.
There's potentially hundreds of leads for law enforcement to interview as far as witnesses go. And we've got to let that process work out. It can't happen overnight.
We sat down exclusively with Attorney General Steve Marshall, who says his office has been briefed on the officer-involved shooting investigation involving the death of E.J. Bradford.
I've had multiple conversations with not only Aaliyah, but the lead investigator in this case. I've spoken directly with Forensic Science about what they're doing.
Since the deadly shooting, protesters have hit the streets in Hoover almost every night.
There is a valid role for protest in this country, but it's concerning when there's also a public safety concern for the public as well.
Today, Governor Kay Ivey was asked if the Hoover Galleria Mall shooting will cast a negative light on Alabama.
The only negative light that there is to shed is the fact that we've had a homicide, and we're going to abide by the law and have law enforcement that's trained to investigate it, to do it thoroughly.
In terms of any body camera footage being released, Marshall is encouraging people to let the system play out. Putting the Valley first, Rashad Hudson, WZDX News.